Hello friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a page title in Canva. It's a simple but effective way to make your design stand out. First, open your Canva project or create a new one. Make sure you're on the page where you want to add your title. Now, for example, this page here, we want to add a page title. Let's add another page first, and then it will appear here at the top of your canvas. And then you can then add your page title. For example, we will input we are hiring. So this is page 1, which is the we are hiring, and this is page 2 where you will customize the design first and input the page 2 title here. So that's it. You now know how to add a page title in Canva. It's a simple but effective way to make your designs more engaging and organized. Remember, a well-paced page title can make a big difference in the impact of your design, whether it's for a presentation, a report, or a social media post. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add a page title in Canva. See you on my next video.